Hey guys! So today I'm guided to talk about one of the universal laws. One of the life lessons we have to learn to liberate ourselves is the law of detachment. So, in my first book titled The Finance Doctor's Tips and Tricks What You Don't Know Can Hurt You, I shared the 50 universal laws. On page 14 is the law of conscious detachment. But before I read that, there are four things I want you to know about this law. So, detachment doesn't mean forgetting or giving up. It's freeing your energy from being drained by obsessively focusing on the outcome. So, desperation energy clouds your clarity and energy from being in the receiving mode. Surrender your plans to the universe. Give the universe space to work. Sometimes what you want isn't what you need. Try your best, but also make room for what is in your highest and best interest. What we desperately cling to or chase after is repelled from us because we come with the main energy and intention of lack, scarcity, rooted in fear. So, fear is a low vibrational energy that slows everything down. Lastly, stay grounded in your why. Place your energy on the feeling and expecting the highest good to manifest before the outcome. So this keeps your energy grounded in confident energy versus need energy. So again, on my first book, page 14, I'm going to read to you the law of conscious detachment. Buddha's earthly teachings are best summarized by one of his statements. It is your resistance to what is that causes you suffering. By suffering, he meant everything that doesn't work in your life, such as relationship problems, loss of loved ones, loneliness, sickness, accidents, guilt, monetary hardship, unfulfilled desires, etc. So when you accept what is, you accept the unalterable realities in your life without resisting them. Some things are facts, they exist no matter how much you resist. So there's nothing you can do about it. Change what you can change, but have the wisdom to accept unalterable situations as they are without wasting mental or physical energy attempting to change what you cannot change. Out of this acceptance comes involved detachment. It's the ability to enjoy all the positive aspects of life, but to allow the negativity to flow through you without resistance and without affecting you. All right, guys, that's what's downloaded today that I have to share with you guys. I hope you will understand and practice the law of detachment. I'll see you guys soon.